Right now in Florida, there's over 1.2 million homes, condos, properties that are insured by Citizens in Florida, which is a state-run insurance company. So here's number one thing. 99.9% of people do not know when they have Citizens insurance. My name is Mike Keeler. I'm a licensed public adjuster here in Florida, and I get a lot of calls on Citizens insurance. And we're going to cover, like I mentioned in the title, the number one thing that most people don't know. So what most people don't know, the agents never tell them, and people really don't look through their policy. Every single Citizens policy has a $10,000 water damage limit. Over the last few weeks, this triggered me to make this video. I've gotten 6-7 phone calls from people about water damage, a lot of water damage. And I asked them, once they tell me what happened, who's your insurance company? Citizens. I said, okay, let's regroup here because there's something I need to tell you. You have a $10,000 water damage limit. Now, this doesn't apply to like hurricanes, anything with regard to wind where water comes into your house. This is strictly plumbing, right? A line breaks, appliance line, water's all over. A pipe breaks. Anything regarding water damage from some type of plumbing or other avenue, not including that comes from a hurricane, is where the $10,000 water damage limit comes into play. So that's it. $10,000. But let me tell you about something within that water damage limit and the policy that gives you another option. So the other option when you're dealing with Citizens Insurance, you've got two choices here. You can go with choice number one. You take the $10,000. Now, I've seen some instances where they take your whatever your deductible is, and sometimes they don't. The other option is what they call their MRP program, Managed Repair Program. I am not a big fan of that. So what they do is assess the damage from their contractor that they pay. Okay, they've already hired a contractor, and they will assess the damage. Usually what I've seen is that if you've got $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 or more in damage, somehow these contractors only say there's $20,000 or $22,000. It's always under 30. It's really odd. So I'm not a big fan of the Managed Repair Program for a couple reasons. If you happen to go through the Managed Repair Program, you're one of the 1.2 million people that have Citizens. Listen up. Here's an important point. Always ask for receipts. In the past, we have been able to prove that some of these insurance companies that use their own contractors and have a repair program, okay, get used materials from other places and put them in your house. Also, if you have nice cabinets, nice floors, the materials that you're going to get are supposed to be like, kind, and quality. That hasn't been the case. So there's actually a way you can sue Citizens if they fail in their duty to you as a policyholder to give you and make you whole. So to give you and put you back to where you were before. Give you the same like, kind, quality materials. If they fail to do that, if they screw up the work, if they fail to give you what you've had before, you have a right to pursue a lawsuit against them for breach of contract. That's right. Your insurance policy is a contract. They breached it. They failed to live up to the expectations, which is to make you whole as you were prior to the loss, prior to the claim. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick video. My name is Mike Keeler, licensed public adjuster in Florida. If you need help with a claim, have questions on a claim, feel free to get a hold of me. My cell phone's listed, my email, and my website. Thanks again for watching.